During its integration into the world, Vietnam has reached rapid development speed with modern infrastructure, which is qualified to national renovation. The roles and strength of Vietnamese businesses have been more and more firm by internal force, intelligence, the hand and brain to build their brand name. Ngọc Khánh Wire and Cable Company Limited was founded in 1994 based on a small cooperative group which produced mechanical products. To present, the company has become a specialized producer in low-voltage electric wires and cables range. Its Gold Cup label products have had its own prestige in the market and have been used in renovating and constructing low-voltage electric network in many areas, both in industry and in civil construction. Based on the modern technology, the managing ability and the skillful and experienced workers, the company usually has high-quality products to meet the demand of customers and standards of electrical technology. Its products and quality management system were awarded the certificate of certifying in accordance with Vietnamese standards for product and the ISO 9001-2000 standard for system by Quasset in 2001. Being established at the time of economic renovation with huge demand for infrastructure development, available conditions, the company's policy and major activities to manufacture and trade such products as low-voltage cables for the development of infrastructure, building and improving the electric network. Facing the demand for self-renewing for development and implementing the strategy of being the forerunner in the field of wires and electric cables, Ngọc Khánh has made remarkable steps in investment for development. In 2006, to respond to new economic and socio-political changes, together with the ever-growing trend of world integration, the company gradually made and fulfilled plans continuing its investment for building and upgrading new and modern equipments to strengthen the manufacturing capacity of the available lines at the factory for low-voltage wires and cables #1 in Phố Nối A Industrial Zone, Van Lam Hưng Yên Province. At the same time, the company focused on renewing technology, developing new products, improving the product quality. In 2006, the company built factory #2 on the total area of 30,000 square meters and invested in purchasing and installing a technological line to manufacture a new product, low-voltage rubber insulated cable. It is a brand new modern line imported from a foreign country. The materials, design, and quality of products are all imported. Meanwhile, major materials such as copper wire and natural rubbers are all from local suppliers. By the coming into operation of factory #2, the company has become the first manufacturer of natural rubber and ethylene propylene rubber low-voltage cables. These products are widely applied in mining, shipbuilding, engineering industries, which are of huge demand for development. Success in these products will help the company expand its market, replacing a range of products which used to be imported from regional countries, enabling domestic manufacturing and better competition. The company has also cooperated in starting and manufacturing a new product of low-voltage cable for automobiles since 2006. In March 2007, the company signed an agreement with Yayaki Parts Company Limited, a leading Japanese company in manufacturing automobile wires. The agreement allowed the company to join into the range of supplementary industrial suppliers for Japan automobile manufacturing in Southeast Asia. In August 2007, the factory for automobile wires was established in Phố Nối A Industrial Zone, Trưng Trắc, Van Lam Hưng Yên Province, on an area of 8,000 square meters with investment capital of over $10 million and came into operation in October 2008 with initial capacity of over 300 tons per month. By October 2009, the factory reached the capacity of 450 tons per month. Success in these products will have the company expand its market, replacing a range of products which used to be imported from regional countries, enabling domestic manufacturing and better competition. To make the working conditions of strong economic cooperation, standards and conditions of Ngọc Khánh today have been created from process of sustainable development, gathering intelligence of the whole company's leaders and workers. In recent years, the company has made remarkable business results thanks to proper development strategies suitable to socio-economic conditions combining with effective use of the company's resources. 2001, Gold Cup low voltage wires and cables by Ngọc Khánh have gained prestige and supply to parts of the markets in Hanoi, northern provinces and central provinces from Da Nang. It has become suppliers for many civil projects for infrastructure development such as industries, civil constructions, improving the electric network. The annual average turnover growth rate is 15 to 30%.
Tôi cũng là một trong những người đại diện của công ty Tam Anh. Thì bản thân chúng tôi cũng đã sử dụng sản phẩm của công ty Ngọc Khánh.
We use products by Ngọc Khánh and found that wires and cables by Ngọc Khánh are good, qualified to Vietnamese standards. We think that these products should be developed and we want to become a distributor of Ngọc Khánh goods because we see that these products are good quality, diversified, and after-sale services are easy. We like products by Ngọc Khánh and we are now customers of Ngọc Khánh.
Về công tác phục vụ hoặc là công tác của sau này ấy, thì nó đảm bảo được nhiều cái mà chính bản thân chúng tôi cũng thấy nó thuận tiện hơn.
The major products during 2001-2005 of the company are low voltage PVC SLPE insulated wires and cables by the factory for wires and cables number 1. The whole manufacturing process is done by modern imported machine system with higher capacity. Together with efficient manufacturing management, it has enabled conditions for increasing product capacity and reducing prices as compared to the same imported items. Business development policy in 2010 on human and socialization towards green environment. The technology of the factories have been recognized as environment friendly with noise at a large level, discharge water as non-toxic, pollutant air from PVC SLPE during manufacturing processes within a large level. Low voltage electric wires and cables of the company use technical specifications qualified to Vietnam respective items and are a prestige in the market. The company's technology is also in the quality management system in accordance with the ISO 9001-2000 standard, awarded the certificate of certifying in the accordance with Vietnamese standard for product and the ISO 9001-2000 standards for system by Quasat in 2001. Some typical customers and projects: Hanoi, Hưng Yên, Yên Bái, Nghệ An Power Companies. Major corporations such as Vinaconex Corporation, Housing and Urban Development Corporation, Linamar Corporation works under projects of newly construction or improving urban electric lighting system by Hanoi Transportation and Urban Public Works Service rural energy projects. Factories in industrial zones such as Dung Quất, Tiên Sơn, North Thăng Long, Trung Hoa Nhân Chính High Buildings, Solar Recycling Buildings, Doi Bai Airport, National Sports Complex, and many other projects. Factories producing electric spare parts for automobiles for Yayaki Parts Company Limited, Japan. The staff of engineers and workers have been well trained locally and internationally. Workers are trained in China. Engineers and management staff is trained in Japan. Prestige and quality recognized by customers. Prize 1000 Typical Businesses Thăng Long Intelligence 2010. Certificate by Chairman of Hanoi People's Committee on Outstanding Achievement in Production and Business and Business Construction and Development in 2005. Certificate by Prime Minister on Business Achievement in 2004. Certificate by Chairman of Hanoi's People's Committee in 2 consecutive years, 2001-2002, for Comprehensive Outstanding Achievement. Certificate by Chairman of Hanoi People's Committee on Outstanding Achievement in Abiding Enterprises Law in 2003. Certificate to the Director by Chairman of Hanoi People's Committee on Outstanding Achievement in Abiding the Enterprises Law in 2004. Certificate by Hanoi Industrial Director for Outstanding Achievement in Investment in Production and Business in 4 consecutive years, 2000, 2001, 2002, and 2003. and opening Vietnam with economic development potentials is waiting for international customers to Vietnam. New opportunities and challenges are awaiting local businesses. Strength from sustainable development and quality prestige of Ngọc Khánh will be a typical image of Vietnam in international integration. Ngọc Khánh, connecting communities, adding values.